So in this video, I will be sharing with you everything that I got from Kiko Milano. And I just did my foundation review for Makeup Revolution, conceal and I don't know, something, foundation. Yun yung foundation that is a counterpart of the Conceal and Define. That's what it's called, Conceal and Define Concealer. I'll leave the link down below, and also mag-add ako ng card here so you can click it if you're interested to know, and you know, if you want to get it. So in this video, I am so excited to share with you the makeup look that I got from Kiko Milano, Kiko Cosmetics. And if you are interested to know what I got, please keep on watching. So it's high quality products made in Italy. So it's yung theme niya is Sicily, which is a city I believe in Italy. Sicily. And it's supposed to give you a Mediterranean feel, which is what I'm actually getting. And this is for their autumn line. I want to start with the best product, and this is the packaging. Can we talk about the packaging first? I mean, I'm not really into green, but this looks so cool. So I'm gonna open up this box. This is my first Kiko product, as I've mentioned earlier. So if you open up the box, there's this little tissue paper, and there's this logo that's may sticker siyang ganyan. It feels so luxurious and so special. I got this. This is an eyeshadow palette. I got this one for 20 euros, 19.99 euros. And look at that. It looks like a seashell. And that green though, I am honestly not in love with it, and I'm a pink, high color, vibrant type of girl. But look at this shades inside. It's so amazing. And this is actually what I have on my eyes right now. The next item that I got is Sicilian Notes Nourishing Bronzer. So again, we have that tissue paper, and this is how the packaging looks like. This is in the shade Mediterranean Sand, and I'll insert a clip of the product close up. This is also what I have all over in the perimeter of my face, right here, you know, everywhere that you would be putting a bronzer on. This is what I'm using right now. The next item that I got from that line is a baked blush. So we have that luxurious tissue paper feel again. And this is called Sicilian Notes Baked Blush in number 3 Panarea Mauve. And this is how it looks like. This blush is very, very pigmented. It's so nice. And I'm wearing it right now. I love this. This is actually my favorite out of everything in that line, to be honest. I also got a mascara from that line. This is Sicilian Notes NUTRILASH Mascara. I don't necessarily know what exactly are the ingredients that are in this product, in which product has what exactly, but it just says that it has citrus extracts, vitamins and oils, but it did not specify what exact vitamins and oils are in here. But this doesn't have a smell. It does have a smell. It smells like your regular mascara. It smells a little bit of a chemical smell. And this is how the wand looks like. Do you see the wand in there? The half of it is sort of flat and it doesn't have brush, and then the other half is where the brushes are. It's a little bit scary to use kasi nakakatusok siya. Medyo matigas yung brush niya, to be honest, and medyo sharp. Also, it's a wet formula. So this is one of the mascaras that you would use that you would have to wait before you could like close your eyes, because it's super wet. When you just put it on and you close your eyes accidentally, it's gonna be all over your skin. But this is what I have right now, and I honestly think it's good. Just be careful in using it because it tends to poke your eye because of its brush, but I honestly think it's good. Don't you think so? Yeah, those are all the items that I got from the Sicilian notes. The next item that I have here though is this unlimited blush in number 3. This is so cool. Like, it reminded me of NARS Orgasm. If I can find it, I want to actually swatch it side by side. I'm going to insert a clip of an up-close look. Alright, this is the Kiko one. Can we see? So it has gold specks. So that is the Kiko one. That is from their regular line, I guess. And this is NARS Orgasm. I just have the duo. So this is NARS Orgasm. This is the Kiko one. NARS has more gold specks in it, has more gold glitters, but do we see the closeness of the shade, like how close they are? But this is the Kiko one. So the Kiko one has more color to it. It has more pigment to it. So yeah, I got it because I was curious, and it looks so similar to NARS, and it seems like a dupe. Actually, the Kiko one has more shade and, you know, shimmer in it. So I got that. I also got a Glow Fusion in number 2. This is, I guess, in their regular line as well. This is a gold highlight, and it's a regular highlight. It's nothing fancy. You know, it's a subtle glow, and this is what I currently have right now. As we see, it's just a subtle glow. It's not really that baba boom kind of glow, so that's good. I wanted to try a variety of products from Kiko, so I thought I'd get highlighter. I would have gotten the highlighter from the Sicilian Notes collection, but I don't know, I felt that it was too grainy for me, so I didn't get that. So the next items that I got is this Kiko Milano Pop Revolution Pop Blush to Go. And give me the shot. It's good for like the drunk blush kind of effect. What is that? Looks crazy. So the product is in here, and then this is actually a this is a sponge that you kind of stamp. Yeah, and this is how you use it. I don't have space anymore. So I just stamp it on your cheek like that, and then spread it out. And that is how it's gonna look like on your cheek. So I'm not really a fan of liquid blush, but cream blushes I'm getting a hang of, especially if you're going for a drunk blush look. I'm not all about that, but I was curious, and I thought that this action is really cool in the way that it's packaged. But honestly, I think that because you push it into the product, you tend to get so much product in the sponge. But either way, I love it. And then I have their liquid lipsticks. This is an Instant Color Matte Liquid Lip Color. I have it in number 7 right here, number 1, and number 5 is a Brick Red. I'm actually gonna insert a clip of swatches as well, but this is what I have on my lips right now. It is actually a total matte, like it dries down and it doesn't, like, you see, nothing comes off. But it's a little bit challenging to apply. It applies very thinly, so you might wanna, it's something that you could layer. but it's one of the liquid lipsticks that when you put it on, you're not gonna be able to add any more on top of it because it dries down completely. However, it doesn't feel so drying in a sense. The first time that you apply it, it feels a little bit sticky, so there's that, but once it sets, it's all good. Also, I got the lipsticks for buy two get one sale, so it was a good deal. I actually paid for 13 euros for 3 lipsticks already, and so I went back and got 3 more. I got this lipstick. So the first one that I got is called Stylo, and it is in the shade somewhat nude. It's a nude pink kind of shade. But look at that bullet. It looks so luxurious. It's so cute, but I just hate that it's in this bullet type of container because you're not able to make it stand or whatever. But yeah, it's moisturizing, I feel like, but I need to be able to use it more to know that for sure. The next item that I want to talk about is this lipstick. It's called Glossy Dream Sheer Lipstick, and what's fun about it is you click this button right here and you get the bullet, and there you have the lipstick. But I feel that this lipstick is, you don't get a lot compared to other lipsticks, but so yeah, I got this in the shade 210, and it's kind of a peachy orangey tone. And then the other one is, I just love doing that. This is in the shade 214, and this is a pink with glitter specks in it. So yeah, those are all the items that I got from Kiko Milano, and I'm very, very happy with everything that I got. I feel that you get a nice quality of product, packaging wise. It feels luxurious. Formula wise, I really don't know. I want to say that I love the scent on the line of Sicilian notes. It smells vanilla-y. If only the bronzer has the smell. It smells vanilla-y. And I love the design on the makeup and the feel of the packaging. The feel of it, it's really good and feels high quality. However, the shadow is kind of, it's powdery, okay? It's powdery, and I'm used to buttery shadows, but I feel that if you're a beginner, and this is 20 euros, it's not really expensive, and you get all these shades which are not typical. So if you're a beginner in makeup and you're trying to create a little bit of colorful looks, or you're trying to create, you know, to add pop of colors into your makeup routine, I think that this is a good palette because it allows you to add more layers as you go versus the Anastasia kind of palette wherein you know, you go in with full colors right on. With this one, it's not really, some of the shades except for the pink one are powdery, and there's not a lot of color on the first application, so you have to dip back in and to get the color that you want. But I feel that it's fine. You can work with it with good skills and practice. It's something that you can work with. And again, for a beginner, I think this is really good, but I love it just for the colors and design. My favorite though is the Sicilian Baked Blush, which I was surprised because look at that. It looks so healthy and natural looking on me, and I love it. That is my favorite from all of the things that I got in this haul. That is the end of this video, and I thank you if you were able to reach this far. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time. Sabi, bye!